Welcome to the Competence Center Leveling. After its proven mechanical and hydraulic part leveling machines, Kohler presents the leveling technique of the future. The Peak Performer GC achieves perfect leveling results thanks to electromechanical leveling gap control. During the manufacturing process of metal sheets, flatness defects and internal stresses in strip material arise. These factors considerably affect the quality of the products to be manufactured. The roll leveling ensures production of flat and low-stress sheets in required quality. When processing very complex parts which are made from high-strength metal and have varying cross-sections, different forces act on the leveling unit. These forces can change the preset leveling gap and negatively affect the leveling result. The electromechanical leveling gap control unit acts against these varying forces and constantly maintains the preset leveling gap. The Kohler gap control works with an extremely stable quadruple wedge system. Within fractions of seconds, energy-saving actuators react on deviations, vibration-free, and ultra-quietly. This system doesn't require any maintenance or cost-intensive hydraulics. The latest generation of drives makes it possible to prevent open oils and lower costs for environmental protection significantly. The high force displacement conversion and the incompressibility of the quadruple wedge system in comparison to hydraulic systems make this machine a unique power pack. To protect the leveling machine from mechanical damage, the Peak Performer has a direct load measuring function. If the specified normal load is exceeded, the intelligent system responds within a fraction of a second and reduces the degree of plastification. If there is a threat of overload, the leveling machine shuts down and the roller frame opens automatically. The Peak Performer GC is equipped as standard with a reliable cleaning and quick change device for leveling rollers. With the optionally available advanced cleaning and quick change device, both leveling cassettes can be individually driven out of the machine. This offers a safe and very rapid control and maintenance of the leveling cassettes outside the machine. The expert calculation system developed by Kohler makes leveling calculable. It facilitates and reduces the material-dependent setting of parameters into the machine control, thanks to an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The module calculates the roller frame position, and thus the process material is ready to be introduced in the machine. Yes, leveling can be so quick and convenient. The future of leveling technology is purely electromechanical and thus completely avoids hydraulics, clean, no open oil and grease in drive technology, economic, low operating and environmental protection costs, energy efficient, energy savings of up to 50% compared to hydraulic solutions, productive, low downtimes thanks to cleaning and quick change device, time efficient, thanks to expert calculation system, intuitive, user-friendly machine control. The cost advantage with Peak Performer GC Model 50-1250 is as high as €20,000 per year. Kohler Peak Performance Leveling Machines.